Welcome to the demonstration of Possible Android StockTech app. Uh, this is Honeywell EDA 50K model, and this is very lightweight, cost effective, reliable, and rugged, easy to use.
Yes, Muzammil, tell me what is the how you can compare with other PDA machines. I know this is a Android machine, as you said, and then it's very cost effective, and also the support is available in all Middle East countries. Okay, I agreed, but again, how do you differentiate with other vendors in this industry?
This device is main thing is this is Android based, and it is very cost effective, and it's very easy to use. It's very handy. It's not like a heavy thing, so anybody can use, any industry can use this, like from small grocery to a big hypermarket, they can use this.
Okay, fine. Okay, I agreed actually. Then Possible ERP, I heard about Possible ERP. It has all the functionalities like POS, accounting, production, e-commerce integrated, also delivery management system, production also integrated, raw material tracking is there, also warehouse tracking. Then how this PDA module, no PDA, the stock take module will help a retail owner or retail managers or retail sector. So can you just give me a brief idea about it?
Actually, Possible PDA StockTech app, we mainly focused the how speed you can do the process of StockTech. Like nowadays, most of the people are suffering from like they are taking too much time for the inventory count, StockTech count. Also, they have to depend on other vendors only for the StockTech, and they have to export to the Excel,
So
and again they have to import to the other software. It's like a long process, time consuming.
So
Yeah.
you mean you don't want to depend other software for stock taking. Also, as I know, Possibility is a web-based software completely. So is it affect in any case this device? If since it is a web-based software, internet should be available always with this device.
No need. It will work in offline, and once you have the internet connection, it will sync to the cloud, and from the cloud you can do all the process like stock clear, or you need to merge the file. Merge means like you can take the stock take rack wise. So one rack will be like one document, and other rack will be other document. So you can merge it. All the activities you can do from back office.
Also, can you just show me how fast is the scanning, and then how you are doing the stock taking? So just show me
Okay,
two, three
let's
examples.
start with this. Okay, let's log in. Okay, let's say we are counting like first floor or like a particular rack. So just create a document, new sheet. Okay, stock take date, and you can type just to identify which from which floor you are taking this, or which rack you are taking. Okay, and just save it. Okay, so let's start scanning it. So let's say we are scanning the barcode. Okay, and we are just scanning the second item. Okay, so each quantity. So similarly you can scan all the items. Okay, and other than this, we have the option to add the quantity, like total quantity. So if we add 5, so previously we scanned 1. Okay, so if you press OK, it comes 6. Okay, then we just submit it. So would you like to update this sheet? Press OK. So we have created this document, floor 1. So similarly you can add like all the floors. Okay, so let me show you in the back office in our Possible cloud software. see this floor name, this document is created. So here we can do remaining like whatever the action you want to do, like you need to merge the sheet, or you need to complete the stock take process, or you need to do the stock clear. Stock clear means if the items are not there on the document, all the items make it clear, and system will update only the counted stock. Okay.
Another beauty of this device I saw, I'm not sure, you can tell me. I think this same device can be used for stock taking, not stock taking, stock receiving. Like when they receive the stock, no, using this device they can easily very speed scanning also possible. They can use it for stock receiving also. Also, if the company has the van sales activities, for that purpose also the same device can be used. Also, I think POSIBOLT has these two modules also, stock receiving module and then van sales module also, right? No, Muzammil?
Yeah, exactly. We have like same database can be used for receiving, like goods receipt when they receive the items on the daily basis, and same device we can use for van sales. All the post activities also can be done from this Android application. And here benefit is you don't have to purchase multiple devices. The same device you can use for the multiple purpose.
Oh, very fine. Okay, thank you, Muzammil. Muzammil, yes, really very nice actually. The advantages I saw in this StockTake module is, so when you consider other softwares, so we need to export to Excel and then import to the software. There is a 2-3 steps more. Also, errors will be there. So shop need to close during the stock take process. In this case, each rack we can take, each floor we can take. So no need to stop or close the shop. The customer can continue the business, right? No.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, exactly. You're right. And if you want to export to the Excel, that option also we have actually. Just click on the document number, and it will show the item details in the right hand side, like quantity on hand. It's as per the system, and quantity count. Okay. And if you want to, actually in our software, Excel export is not required. It's already saved in the back office.
But for the companies, they are not using POSIBOLT ERP solutions, so they can use their software. Like we will export to Excel, and then they can import to their software. That is also possible. But if they can use our this POSIBOLT software. Of course, will become another advantage for them. Anyway, it's a very nice solution. I saw entire module. Then I hope it will give a lot of time saving for the customers. Also, cost is very less when compared to other devices, stock type devices. Also, rugged machine. Honeywell is a world famous reputed brand. Service available in all the Middle East. Okay, agreed. Very fine. Thank you, Muzammil. Okay.
Okay.
So for the sales inquiries, you can contact 056 786 5354, 052 506 0074. We have offices in UAE, in Bahrain, in Oman. We have, and then we have in South Africa, in India also we have offices. Also customers worldwide, we have customers using our softwares and solutions. Thank you, Muzammil.